Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Sibling Talkies. If you have seen our basement tour video, my brother told in that video that he's going to move very soon to a walkout basement. So today I have come to his basement, or what we call walkout apartment, also to see how it is different from regular basement. So all these houses usually have a basement. Some of them are underneath like regular basements, but this one he has is a walkout basement. So he found this new accommodation through Kijiji. We'll make a separate video on how to find rentals in Canada and how we found one. The best thing about the walkout basement is you get separate entry, and that's why you have whole backyard for yourself for use. And here is Arpit.
Welcome.
It depends on house to house how big the backyard is.
So you can see we've got a pretty big window, and this was a very big plus point for us. Let's go inside and see. And the best thing about walkout basements is there is no interference. You have your own separate entrance. You can go anytime and do anything. And there's no stairs, so it's also easier to get all your stuff. There are big things we had to carry, tables and almirahs and all those things. So it was very easy for us to bring all those things.
Hello, Bobby. Hi. Welcome to our home, sweet home.
So as you enter, you see this area, which is our kitchen and living room, lobby you can call. And this is where we keep all our shoes, and we have some of our toilet supplies here. And generally, walkout basements are a little expensive as compared to normal basements, but we got this for a good price, and we'll tell you later in the video. So let's go and see inside. I love the bedroom because of this huge window. This was my only reason that we selected this space. Since I'm working from home and also studying, I was inside the basement all the time. I wanted some open space, so this was very good for us. And then this is our bedroom. We sleep here. And another good part is this walk-in closet. It is huge, you can see. So we've got all our clothes and all our extra stuff also here. And this almirah, I hope you saw in our earlier video of the basement tour. It was really difficult to bring it here, but we somehow got it. And Archana loves this almirah, which is why it is here. And for some entertainment, we also wanted a small television. So I just checked on Facebook Marketplace, and I was able to buy this small TV for I think just $50.
Wow, just 50.
Just $50.
So guys, as a newcomer, it's good if you can buy stuff from Kijiji or Marketplace to save some money.
Yeah, you can always get things. You just have to look for them.
So when we moved here, we decided to do some decorations, and then we hang these paintings, and these were made by me. But we bought these frames from IKEA, and I just love them. And we also have one picture here. It's a girl, you can say girls gang of our family, Diva, Saloni, Archana.
So this is our kitchen space. I know it's not huge, but we have enough cabinets. Everything got stuffed somehow. And they had given us one microwave, but since we had of our own, so we are using that. We got the stove, and this fridge was also provided to us. Rest of the stuff is everything is of our own. We'll show you our washroom now. Also, we got this coat hanger from IKEA because we had so many jackets, so we needed something. So we got this from IKEA.
It's very handy. I think in winter, every time you step out, you have to take your jacket and keep it back.
Also, when guests come in, they also are wearing jackets, so we need
Yes.
space for that also. So this is very good. Nothing special, but it's good enough. We also got this from Facebook Marketplace. Someone was selling it. It's a nice little thing to keep.
Oh, there's another painting by Archana Bhabhi. If you want to order, you can let us know in comments below.
There is a small window also here for all those bad times.
But this is good because when you go in a basement, you don't even have any window in your washroom. So this is very good.
Yeah.
Especially just imagine when it's snowing and you are in washroom. This is a good storage space here for all extra toiletries.
And we also have a small mandir, and it's so cute, and you can see that. And we have printer here, some detergent.
And here is our laundry. This is a shared space with the landlords, and with shared laundry you will generally make some kind of an arrangement. So ours is that weekdays it is closed and weekends it will be open. During the week also, if we want, if there is an emergency and we need to wash clothes, we can ask them to open it. So we've got the washer and the dryer. And usually all the basements will have a furnace room because all the houses here have these. And what you can also do is use this as a storage space. So we have some stuff here that we have kept.
It is basically the heating system for whole house and also water boiler. As you know, we have 24 hours hot water supply in all the taps in the house. So this is the main system behind it. Bhabhi has also made these granola bars. We love them. Everybody in our family, we just adore these. Again, if you want to order these, do let us know in comments below. These are very healthy and yummy. Nand Bhabhi ka prem. And what else Bhabhi made? Yummy dal makhni.
So guys, you've seen our previous basement video and you know there were no windows there. So this was a very big thing for us, and this is what got excited. Big huge windows, natural light and separate entrance. So all that was good, which is why we decided and moved here.
And in short, this place is awesome, and rent is also quite reasonable for us. It's $12.50 and all the utilities also included. Wi-Fi, hydro, parking, laundry. So it's good for us and we really enjoy this place a lot.
So guys, before finalizing your rental accommodation, do make sure you have a shopping complex nearby
Bus stop.
And parks.
so you can have a comfortable and easy life.
And if you liked our video and you want us to keep making more videos, don't forget to like,
Comment.
And subscribe our channel.
Sibling Talkies.
Yay! Yippee!